Namaste children, welcome to English class children. Children, in my previous video, I was explaining that exercise part of the third lesson, and till that G main I explained it to you in the previous video. Now today in this video I am going to discuss about that other mains which remained there in that third chapter. Okay, please look at your screen, all of you. Yeah, till here I covered in my previous video G main. Now H main. Before that H main they given something. Look at these, look at the pictures and read the sentences. So these children, what they are doing here? Here in the previous video I told that and this. If anything is nearer to you, we used to call that one as this. This is a bottle, this is a cup, this is a pencil, this is a box, this is a mobile. If anything is very far from us, that is a book, that is a bottle, that is a cup, that is a pencil, that is a board. Okay, like this, that is a TV we need to use, that is a mobile we need to use. ಓಕೆ, ದೂರ ಇರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ದಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು, ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಯು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಾಟಲ್. ಟೂ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್, ನಿಯರರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ these are flowers and this girl, now those trees are very far from this girl, very far from this girl. ಅವು ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅವಳಿಂದ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ she used to call them those are trees, those are trees, these are flowers, those are trees. One is there means that and this we need to use. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್, ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು, ದೇರ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ದೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು, ದೂರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ದೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇರ್ಸ್, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇರ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೀಸ್, ದೂರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ದೋಸ್, THOSE, ದೋಸ್. Okay, then you see here, this girl is here, she is having a laptop in her hand. So what she needs to call it, these here, one is back side and one is this side. So what are these two? These are laptops. Here you have to write these, THESE, these. Downside you write those. Here these are very far from this girl, ಇವಳಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇವೆ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅವಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4, 5, 6 ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಒನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಥವಾ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ 6. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್, THOSE, those are tablets. ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೆಗಡಿ ಆದಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು. So here these are nearer to these children. That is why they are telling that these are boats and these two are very far from them. ಅವು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಶಿಪ್ಸು, boats will be small, ships will be big. Okay, boats will be very small, ships will be very big. Both they will be used in the water. Okay, so to travel in the water we use boats also, and also we use ships. Ships are big vehicles they are. Then here these are telling that these children are these boats, these are boats. It means two are nearer to this. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ these they use, but these ships considered as those means very far from them. ಇವರಿಂದ ಇವು ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ here you have to use those, Those, those ships, or those are ships we need to use. We need to write here those. Here these, here those. Next, here you see books are here on the table. So books are nearer to this girl. That is why she needs to write here these. These are my books. And here toys are here, toys. Okay, here are toys. Okay, doll is there, then giraffe's toy is there, ball is there. What these are? So these are here, if they are nearer to us, these are far from this girl, so that she needs to call them those are toys. Those. Those are toys. You write here those, here these, here those. Did you understand when to use that, when to use this, when to use those, when to use these? One is there means that, two are there means those, two or more. One is there means this, two or more are there means these. If they are nearer to you, that and this, that and this, when we need to use that, we should be aware of it. One, any things if they are nearer to us, and if it is one, we need to use it this, and two or more means these. If anything is very far from us, if one it is, we need to call it that. If they are two or more, we need to call them those. Okay, those we have to call them. Okay, so be aware of it. Then look at the pictures and read the sentences here. What they are doing, children? Here the girl is telling that I am Mona, I am Mona, and he is Varun. She is telling about that other boy also, he is Varun. And he says, we are friends. This girl is saying here, I am Mona, he is Varun, we are friends. We both are friends. And here you can see, circle the correct words within the brackets. She dash reading. Here reading is there means always we have to do she, and reading it is there means we have to use here is. She is reading. Second sentence. What this girl is doing here? See, she says, I am singing. I am singing. Next, we playing. What these are doing? These, it means we are playing. Two means are. One means is. So I means one girl is there. She is singing here. I am singing. Then she is reading. Okay, one girl, she is reading. Two are here. Two children are here. So are, A-R-E, are. Next, one boy is doing that. He dash cooking. He is cooking, am cooking, are cooking. He is cooking. Okay, he is cooking is the correct word. You need to circle. Next, fill in the blanks with is, am, and are. Okay, are. These are three options for you. Which is correct and which is suitable, those you have to fill here. Okay, one. I dash Rita. It means am you can use here. Am. I am Rita. Second one. This dash Daljit. You are talking about this. This means one. Daljit is one boy. So this is Daljit. This is Daljit. We means two members or more. If we are two or more, we need to use we. We, it is here already. So it means here what to use? Is only we used for singular. One idre matra is balastive. We means two are here. What to use? Are, A-R-E. We are playing. So here you write, we are playing. Hide and seek. Then Farra, where dash Peter. It means what to use here? Where is Peter, or where, these three options which to be filled here, that we need to think. Farra, where is Peter, or am Peter, or are Peter? It is one person is here, so that we need to use here singular is. Where is Peter? Where is Peter? Then next one, he dash looking for us. So he is looking for us, or he am looking for us, or he are looking for us. It is correct. He is looking for us. Is we need to fill here. Okay. So now I will read out all the sentences. I am Rita. This is Daljit. We are playing hide and seek. Farah, where is Peter? He is looking for us. So like this way we need to fill in these blanks. Then let us go for this exercise part. Listen carefully. Listen to your teacher carefully, and you have to give colors as they says. You can give your own colors to these three pictures: balloon, ball, and kite. Balloon, ball, and kite. For these three pictures, you have to give different colors to make them more beautiful. Okay, any colors you can take your crayon box. All must take crayons, and you can give your own choice. Okay, any color you can choose and give to these three pictures and make them colorful, and send its photo also to me. Okay, speak well. You can talk with your friends like this. So, do you have a balloon? She is asking to that boy, do you have a balloon? Then he says, yes, I have a balloon. Then this girl replies, no, I don't have a balloon. So look at that conversation. It means talking. They are talking each other. This girl is asking that, do you have a balloon? Is there balloon with you? Boy says, is there balloon in his hand? So that he says, yes, I have a balloon. Then this girl, she is not having that balloon. So she must say that, no, I don't have a balloon. Like that you can use these words. Okay, you can talk with your parents or brother or sister or uncle, auntie, whoever it may be in your home. One of the family members, you can call them and you can talk to them. You ask them, Papa, do you have a pencil? Then your papa will reply to you. If it is there means he says, yes, I have. If he is not having that, he says, no, I don't have a pencil. Then pet means any pet animal, dog, cat, these kind of. Papa, do you have a pet animal? If it is there, your father says, yes, I have. If he doesn't have, he says, no, I don't have. Then toy, car, balloon, doll. These words can be used like that only. Okay. So it is one of the speaking practice you can do it. So please, parents, you can help them to conversate these kind of words or sentences. Okay. So this is about that, and this part and this part it will be explained to you in my next class. Write well, and then this part. This will be explained to you in my next video. Okay. Take care, all of you children. Have a nice day.